If your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra is acting up with the Messages app, here's a quick and safe way to reset it so everything runs smoothly again. First, open your phone's Settings app and scroll down to Apps. This is where all your installed apps are listed. Next, find Messages and tap on it. Inside the app info screen, tap Force Stop. This completely shuts down the app and clears any temporary glitches that might be causing issues. After that, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files the app uses but won't delete any of your messages. To fully reset the app to its default settings, tap Clear Data and confirm when prompted. Keep in mind, this will erase your current messages, so back up any important conversations first. Don't worry too much. Samsung's Messages app now syncs with Google, so if you have your account logged in, all your messages will show up again after clearing the data. No glitches, no issues, just clean settings. And that's it. Your Messages app is now fully reset and ready to use. Smooth and glitch-free.